Finally, you decide that it's the time to take action. This video provides passive income ideas that will help you earn passive income while keeping your full-time gig, so you can finally get more than you've ever dreamed of. What is passive income? Passive income is the money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. The work tends to be front-loaded. If you create an online course, the sales continue rolling in long after it launches. You've probably heard the expression, make money while you sleep. That's the biggest draw that entices people to earn passive income. You can create something, a blog, course, ebook, video, or an online store that generates money even when you're not working. Or you can own something, property, or stocks that allow you to earn passive income. The first passive income area starts a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources you will find online. With dropshipping, you can find trading products that you can then sell online to customers around the world. You can sell products in various dropshipping niches, from fashion to home decor to beauty. The magic in dropshipping is that you build your own business and control how much you charge for the product. Out of all the passive income idea on the list, dropshipping is the one where you have the most control over your earning. To start dropshipping today, you can sign up for Shopify. Shopify is an online platform provide to you a store that you can buy your product. And to sign up on Shopify, there is a link below in the description. Sign up and start making money. The second idea, run a blog. The most popular passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless bloggers and entrepreneurs earn passive income through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deal, and more. It's true that it can take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic or by building an email list. Third idea, create a course. Selling online courses is one of the best passive income ideas of 2020. We're still seeing massive sales growth for course creators. Whether you decide to sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy, you can find the link of Udemy in the description below. You will find customers who want to learn your insider's type and tricks. If you follow type number 2 and build your own audience, selling your course on your website can help you control how much passive income you earn. Finding your customers is up to you. That will be a bit easier if you sell on course platform like Udemy, but your course may be heavily discounted during certain periods, and this will affect how much passive income you earn. Fourth idea, Instagram sponsored posts. If you love Instagram as much as I do, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help you skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, fashion, beauty, home decor, or something really interesting like dog or animals in general, you will find the community audience. The secret getting a ton of Instagram followers is to be super consistent with the type of content you post. So be sure to stick to one niche so that people who follow you can count on you to deliver more content. And in your Instagram biography, be sure to add your email address as your accounts start to grow. So will sponsored post requests allowing you to make money on Instagram. The most Instagram likes your posts get, the more people will reach out to you, so be sure to create engaging content. The 5 idea: create a brand on-demand online store. E-commerce is being one of the most popular ways to make passive income these days. It only makes sense to give a shout out to print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like clothing, canvases, phone cases, bags. The only downside is that you need to be savvy at graphic design because the margins are often too thin to outsource the design affordably. However, if you design that unique winning design, your sale will tick off. Plus, it won't hurt sales since you won't be competing with anyone but yourself. The 6th idea: create an app. If you are a developer or a programmer, you may want to try creating apps as a passive income stream. You can go about it in 2 ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your application free and monetize with ads. My finance did this a few years ago and still make a side income from his application to this day. He bought code from Code Canyon, then he used a tool called Eclipse and installed the Android Developer SDK to make modification to the code to create his own unique application. The next passive income idea is hosting an Airbnb. What is interesting in that is that you don't actually need to buy a new property to make Airbnb passive income. You can also rent a room in your current home or apartment if you have a spare room. Also, Airbnb has recently expanded into Airbnb experiences, which allow you to host events, meetups, and tour in your city. You can choose to make some side hustle money, though it won't be passive income. The next passive income idea is sell your videos. We live in a day and age where people are obsessed with content. If you always find yourself in the field of drama and existence, you might want to pull out your phone and hit record. Doing that can help you make some passive income. Why? Because you can sell that video to a news site, and if the video takes off, you can make some recurring money for weeks, months, and sometimes even years. Of course, the easiest way to get in on the action is to be at public events such as protests or festivals, and you will find opportunities for your content to be sold. The next methodology is flip websites. Do you love building websites and online stores? If yes, so you could make passive income selling them. You will likely need to get your first few sales to prove that your store is awesome, but if you got great design skills and build out some of the content on your website, you could find someone who would be willing to buy your store. If you're looking for a place to sell your website, you could try out Shopify's Exchange Marketplace. On the platform, you can sell your newly built online store or your advanced 6 or 7 figure store. It's the perfect platform for online stores of all sizes. And the last passive income idea is create YouTube videos. YouTube is the passive income stream that just keeps on giving. From sponsored videos to ad revenue, you will find that you can make recurring income from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating content on a consistent schedule for a long time. That's it. If you stick with it for the long haul, eventually you will start reaping the passive income rewards. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this content, leave me a comment to motivate me put you like this stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.